Are you looking to increase your knowledge or improve your skills without breaking the bank? Look no further. With this tutorial, you will learn how to unlock the secret to free Udemy courses. Today, whether you're a student wanting to learn a new skill or a professional wanting to improve your skill set, Udemy is a perfect platform to help you achieve your goals. With a vast range of courses such as programming, marketing, design, and so on. Udemy is something for everyone, but if you don't have enough money for paying Udemy courses, don't worry. There is a way to get access to Udemy courses for free, and today I will show you how to do that. Before you go, make sure that you have subscribed, and in the end, there will be a bonus. Let's go. Our first source will be couponscorpion.com, and here you can find a lot of Udemy courses totally for free. Let's see. So here are categories. If you're interested in some specific field or you're a professional who is wanting to improve skill set, here you can choose the topic. For instance, business, design, or development, finance or accounting, right? But if you are a student and want to learn some new things, you're more than welcome to enter this page, the main page, where you can see a lot of courses. For instance, CSS in JavaScript. Also, the ultimate ChatGPT generative AI course. So let's click on it and see what will happen. So we are redirected to another link, and here everything about the course, requirements, description, and so on. And proceeding to the bottom of this website, here we can find a button of getting a coupon code for free. Let's see. And as you see, here you can purchase this course totally for free. But let me remind you that you have to purchase this course as fast as possible, because these coupons have an expiring date. And if you are interested in something, make sure that you bought it in this day or in this minute. And a second way to access those not free courses is this Udemy. And here you also can find some free coupons for new learners or for professionals. So let's see, where you can find HTML essentials, right? Pandas bootcamp, and so on and so on. And also you can find a specific categorized coupons. Let's click on a category and choose from the following list of specific topics. For instance, Android, network, other academic, business, certification, health, fitness. Thanks for watching, and make sure that you followed me, because I will post new videos about free courses on Udemy or some links. And as I mentioned before, I have a bonus for you, and the bonus is my Telegram channel, where I will post all necessary links for free Udemy courses. Thank you very much.